In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Yahoo Mail from other devices so you can secure your account and sign out of old sessions. Start by opening your browser and going to Yahoo Mail. Sign in to your account with your username and password. Complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're in your inbox, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account Info. This will open your account settings, usually in a new tab. In the Account Settings page, look for the Security section or Recent Activity in the left menu. Open it. Here you'll see a list of devices and locations where your Yahoo account is currently signed in. The list may show details like device type, browser, approximate location, and last activity time. Review the devices carefully. If you see a device you no longer use, don't recognize, or want to remove, click Sign Out next to that device. This will immediately end the session on that device and it will require your password to sign in again. Repeat this process for any additional devices you want to remove. You can refresh the page afterward to confirm they're no longer listed. That's it. You've successfully removed Yahoo Mail from other devices and regained control over where your account is signed in.